We take a project-based approach. So by the end of the course, we build out this dashboard, which allows you to plot the production histories from wells any well in the United States by the state and operator, and choose an API number or select the well on the map. Then you can fit a type curve to that. So in doing this, over the course of the 3 days, we as we're learning all these tools, we start to build the pieces of what you need to assemble this by the end. We also cover an introduction to machine learning and scikit-learn during those first 3 days. In the last 2 days, we take a deep dive into fundamentals of statistics, spatial data analytics, and machine learning. We cover a lot of the commonly used machine learning methods, all the way through neural networks. And of course, all of our examples use data, real data, and examples developed from our experience in the energy industry. So we hope you'll join us, and